Yes, ma'am.
So why are you now asking for DNA?
Just due to the fact that it was numerous times, it was told that they might not be mines and stuff like that. It might be.
Enjoy the video. Hit the like button.
3 on the docket calls 1615139, paternity modification confirmation of arrears filed by the state. Would the parties please raise their right hands? You do solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Both can put your hands down. Sir, please state your first and last name.
Stephen Prado.
And ma'am, your first and last name.
Nancy Aguilar, Your Honor.
And counsel for the state.
Jessica Brown Mitchell with the Office of the Attorney General.
Okay. Also, I'm noticing there's an application for a protective order filed in District Court August 22nd, 2025. Counsel for the state, what do we have this morning?
We just need to address service on the record and a DNA request, Your Honor.
You may proceed.
Thank you. I would like to start by calling Ms. Aguila. Ms. Aguila, did you receive a copy of the state's petition this morning via email?
Yes, I did.
And are you ready to proceed on the case?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Ask the witness and let the record reflect that Ms. Aguila has accepted service and is ready to proceed.
Let the record reflect the young lady has accepted service and ready to proceed.
Okay, and I would like to call Mr. Prado. Mr. Prado, did you also receive a copy of the state's petition today via email?
Yes, I did.
Okay, and are you accepting service and ready to proceed on the case?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Let the record reflect that Mr. Prado has been served and is also ready to proceed.
Let the record reflect the gentleman has accepted service and ready to proceed.
Okay. And I would like to recall Mr. Prado. Mr. Prado, what are the names of the 2 children that we are seeking to add to your case today? And are you requesting DNA for one of those children or both of those children?
For both of them.
Okay. And do you recall signing an acknowledgement of paternity regarding?
I believe I did.
Okay. So if you had signed an acknowledgement of paternity already acknowledging that you are his father, why are you requesting DNA for?
So during this period of time, I only found out after the matter that during the period of time from when potentially conceived, that there was an instance of infidelity. Although the claims for nothing physical ever occurring, I would just like to be sure.
Okay. Pass the witness. And I would like to call Ms. Aguila. Ms. Aguila, are you in agreement with Mr. Prado's request for DNA for?
Yes.
Okay. Pass the witness, and I will defer to the court on the DNA request.
DNA is granted. We'll come back on December the 10th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Thank you both. You both are free to go. Have a great day. And the Attorney General's office will reach out to you both to set you up for DNA testing. Okay. And then now just unmute yourself. Thank you. 19 on the docket calls 1515967, original petition modification and confirmation of arrears filed by the state. Would the parties please raise their right hands? You do solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You both can put your hands down. Sir, please state your first and last name.
Kevin Russell.
Ma'am, your first and last name.
Ebony McDonald.
Counsel for the state.
Gabrielle George with the Office of Attorney General.
Counsel for the state, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. If I may first start with Mr. Russell regarding service. Mr. Russell, did you receive a copy of the state's petition from me via email this morning?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I did.
Okay, and is it correct that you want to proceed with the DNA request today?
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, I would pass the witness and ask the record to reflect that Mr. Russell was served with a copy of the state's petition today and is asking to proceed with the request on DNA.
Let the record reflect the gentleman has accepted service and ready to proceed. You may proceed, counsel.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Russell, you do understand that the state filed a motion to modify and add the youngest 2 children to the case today. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and the 2 children that we're asking to add to the case today, are those the 2 children you're requesting DNA on?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you do acknowledge that in the hospital, you did sign an acknowledgement of paternity for those 2 children. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So why are you now asking for DNA?
Just due to the fact that it was numerous times, it was told that they might not be mines and stuff like that. It might be other guys and stuff. So, you know, I still just want to make sure, uh, if I'm gonna be paying, paying for every month or whatever the case may be, moving forward. I just want to make sure it's actually my kids and stuff like that.
Is mom the one that told you that the kids may not be yours, or was it someone else?
It was mom.
Okay, Judge, I'll pass the witness and briefly call Miss McDonald. Miss McDonald, did you hear father's testimony?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Okay, and are you in agreement with his DNA request for the youngest two children?
I don't agree.
Okay.
But I'm willing to do it, but I don't agree.
You're willing to do it, but you don't agree to it?
It's like I'm willing to do it with no problem, but I just feel the need of it is not sufficient enough for me.
Okay. And did you ever tell dad somebody else could be the father of the youngest two kids?
Probably out of anger, argumentative.
Boom. That's the reason why that he's asking for DNA. That's a legitimate reason to ask.
Yes, ma'am, for sure. But till this day,
I'll pass the witness, Judge, and ask for a ruling as to Mr. Russell's DNA request today on the youngest two children the state is asking to add today.
DNA is granted on the youngest two. We'll come back December the 10th, 2025 at 9 a.m. The AG's office will get you guys set up. Yeah, when you say things in anger, people don't know if you're playing or for real. He got to take it as it's for real. We'll see.
Right, I definitely understand, but can I say something, Your Honor?
There's nothing else to say. I've made my ruling. Now, Ms. George, do you need him to rejoin the breakout room? Or
yes, please. Yes, okay. Judge. I'm gonna put dad in 1 and mom in 21.
Okay.